And we are back. It's Wednesday. Let's have a look and see what Jesus. Honestly, something's wrong. I mean, what a disgraceful effort. Anyway, these are the plants for today. They're not Red Clone X. I think that says peace. Peace proteas, that's kind of appropriate for what's happening in the world at the moment. Anyway, I can't believe, normally stuff doesn't bother me because it's nothing to do with me. But when Linda's not working very well or something's wrong, that means I'm suffering because I've got nothing to do now. The water's gone. That's good. Just a big mess for me to clean up as usual. Yeah, I'm slightly annoyed at that. But anyway, let's go. No, let's go.